Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Rio 5 LX Plus trim level. As you see, there's been some options added to the car. The red mirror caps, the molding down on the rocker panel there, and some fast wheels. Obviously gorgeous looking little black Rio. Car that anyone would be proud to own and drive. Shot at one of those fast wheels. Rather fancy looking. That red trim on the bottom and on the mirror cap. Let's take a look inside. Car comes with power windows, locks, and mirrors. Also has upgraded floor mats, traction control. Little Rio only has 223 kilometers on it, so it'll come with balance of factory warranty. The steering wheel has audio and cruise controls. Let's climb inside. The car will come with a 3-month trial subscription of Sirius XM radio. The car also has a backup camera. Has your climate control, auxiliary and USB ports, as well as a 12-volt charging port. Has heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and a sport mode driving select. Just wanted to point out the beautiful stitching on the seat and the cloth fabric. That driver's seat is height adjustable. Looking in the back, plenty of room back here for your passengers. And again, the upgraded floor mats. We're on the back of this little Rio. Lots of room back here to carry some groceries, carry some outdoor equipment if you're an outdoorsy type of person, or carry some sports gear if you like going to the gym to do workouts. There's a cargo shelf there which comes down when we close the door to hide your stuff from anybody looking in the car. That rear seat is also a 60-40 split, so you can lay them both down, have lots of room, or you can lay one or the other down depending what you're carrying. Also some more of that red trim done on the back door. So if you're interested in this 2018 Kia Rio 5, car is located at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, maybe about 20 minutes or so from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. We're open Monday to Thursday from 9 to 9, Fridays and Saturday 9 to 6, Sundays and most holidays 11 to 5. So come on down, bring the family down, see how well they fit into this Rio. See how well the Rio fits into your lifestyle. Don't forget that the best way to make an informed decision about any car that you're thinking about purchasing is to actually drive the car. That way you can make a decision about how well it works for you.